Hello, and welcome to another MainView for IMS Functions and Features training session. Today we will be viewing region and database activity. My name is Mike Frost, and I am a software consultant for BMC. The region and database activity views are important for all IMS system programmers responsible for the overall health of IMS. As we know, region or database issues can cause issues for IMS as a whole. Let's go ahead and jump into MainView and take a look at what these regions and database activity views look like. First thing we're going to do is get into MainView. Once we select I for IMS, we will then want to select option number 1, MainView for IMS. And this gives us IMS Online. Here we're given the opportunity to select the context we would like to look at. In this situation, we want to use all because we want to be able to see the region and database overviews for all of our IMSs, not just one in particular. If you did want to select just one IMS in particular, you could enter that IMS name here. So we'll go ahead and click enter. We are now in our IMS SSI Easy menu. From this menu, we want to go down to the activity and status section, and then we want to select our region activity. To do this, we just simply press enter on region activity. Once we come in, we can see that we are on the DRGN SUMR view. Here we can see region and thread summaries. If you have multiple threads running, you would see those running here. One of the first views I like to take a look at is our region occupancy. Here we can get various information on our regions. We're getting our region ID, the name, the type of region, region CPU, MVS CPU, proc rate, region occupancy, IMS ID, the MVS name, as well as the database share group. To return to the main region activity screen, all you need to do is hit PF3. Here we can access other items like the region program summary, waiting regions, DB2 regions, ODB regions, BMP and JBP regions, and all region types. Waiting regions can be a very useful tool if you have regions that are in a wait status. Luckily for us at this time we have none. But if you did want to see regions in a wait status, you would just put your cursor on waiting regions and hit enter. Another view that we like to use is the all region types. We'll go ahead and take a look at that view now. All you need to do is go to all region types and hit enter. Here we can gather lots of information on the regions. For example, we can get the ID, the type, the region status, if it's connected to any CICS tasks, transaction IDs, current IWaits, VOW CPU, VOW elapsed times, last syncs, checkpoint rates, total DLI, total input output, total locks, total SQL calls, DBQ waits, TOTMQ, VOW DLI time, VOW ESS time, the PSV's name and username. Additionally, if we press PF11, we can scroll to the right and see the CICS VOW, threshold titles, the job and STC names, IMS job names, and finally the MVS name. And now in this view, we can gather information on the various items, and we can drill down where options are highlighted. This view in general gives us a very good overview of all our current region types. Now we'll PF3 back out and take a look at our database activity. To do so, we go back to our activity and status, we go down to database activity, and we select it. From here, we can gather various information again. So we can see that we're currently in IDA GDTL view. We can tell if we're a data sharing group, which we are not. We have our sample minutes sent to 13.1, and we can look by our various IMS names. If you'd like to enter an IMS name, you would do so up above by using the con, which is context, and then including one of your IMS names. For this example, we use con IAGA IMS. So now we can see that we are only looking at IAGA IMS. From this screen, we can gather various information. We can see our full function database IO statistics, our database call statistics, our DEDB database statistics. We can see all database I/O, as well as our buffer pool information. Again, this is focused on one single IMS. If we wanted to return looking at all IMSs, all we would need to do is hit PF3. Now you can see that we have returned to all IMSs, and we still have the ability to see the same information. This is a very useful screen as we can look at various databases and ensure that we're experiencing the type of timing that we would like. This screen can also be used to identify issues. For example, if you have slow I/O times that are much higher than your average, you can set thresholds here to identify those. So that is a look at database activity as well as region activity. If you'd like more information on database activity or region activity, you can gather that by going to the BMC support website and searching for the MainView for IMS online documentation. Please like and subscribe to the BMC Mainframe Solutions System Services channel and watch the additional MainView for IMS videos that are available. Thank you. Have a great day.